Nomadic.
Kamusta mga wan? Andito tayo sa may Libin and we are on our way to Mount Ruapehu, and this is episode 23 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. So stop over muna and then punta tayo. Travel Bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog, another gala, another vlog na naman tayo everyone. And this time babalik tayo ng Mount Ruapehu. Kung naalala nyo yung episode 19 natin, nagpunta tayo ng Mount Ruapehu. So ngayon babalikan natin yun, and it's winter season na naman mga wan. So this time try natin mag snow activities. Try natin mag-snowboard and explore natin ulit yung Mount Ruapehu. Hopefully maraming snow ang mabutan natin ngayon sa Mount Ruapehu, kasi sa mga TikTok videos na nakikita ko lately, konti pa lang yung snow, pero I think nag-snow siya past few days, and then today at 8 AM sana hindi lang umulan, pero ayon sa weather forecast naman cloudy siya ngayon, so sana maraming snow ngayon. So this is episode 23 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. Let's go!
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Another day, another gala vlog na naman tayo everyone. Kung maalala nyo, last episode 19, nagpunta tayo ng Pakapapa, Mount Ruapehu. But we didn't get the chance to experience the snow activities before, and I said we will save that for next time. Kaya for this vlog, this is the continuation of our snow experience in Mount Ruapehu, and this time we get to experience our first time snowboarding. I am your Nomadic One, at tara samahan nyo ko in our episode 23 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. This is my birthday vlog, and this is Pakapapa, Mount Ruapehu, Episode 2.
Nomadic.
Down, singing louder than the crowd.
GoPro. Hi guys.
Hi guys. At yun, andito tayo sa may Pakapapa again everyone. So pinagbigyan tayo, ang daming snow. Yan, mas makapal yung snow ngayon kumpara dun sa pagpunta natin dati. Yeah, it's so good.
Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
Let's go guys.
Say hi to my vlog.
Sige ha.
Bye.
The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Ang kapal ng snow mga wan. Maglakad na lang tayo. Hey! Kasi ang hirap pala mag snowboard. Subok ulit tayo everyone. Ay sorry. Ang hirap pala po. Pangalawang bagsak everyone.
Guys, Austin will do the snowboarding. Okay. One more.
Ay, di man siya makuha.
Narangan ni Father. Push! Push pa! Push pa!
Go! Go for the goal! Go for the goal!
Saya naman sa vlog! Hi! Shout out! ACC na to! ACC na to! Ayun, so tatapusin na natin yung snowboard experience natin everyone. Ate, nakailang bagsak ka?
Dalawa lang.
Ang hirap pala, putik. Hey! So akyat na tayo mga wan. Balik na natin itong mga gears. And then maggugondola na tayo. Akyat tayo sa may cafe sa taas. Bro, sa vlog mo bro. Ang hirap ma-fall.
Ang
hirap ma-fall.
You have to let go, no?
Kaya nga, parang may pilay na ako. ECC na yun. Diyan natin. So guys, after ng snowboard saka ski natin, gondola naman tayo.
me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know.
Anong pick up time natin? Okay. May time pa ba? Group.
The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
So that's our Pakapapa episode 2 mga wan. So after natin mag snowboarding, umakyat tayo ng Pataka Cafe and then naggondola tayo. Ngayon baba na tayo and then punta tayo ng accommodation and then tuloy natin din yung party. Yo, nakababa na tayo ng Pakapapa. Palis na tayo ng park and ride. Pagas muna tayo tapos balik tayo ng Chatu Tongariro at picture muna and then siguro uwi na ng accommodation and then magro-rock tour tayo. Yeah. Yun, and we are back to Chatu Tongariro everyone. So dati nagpunta tayo dito. Yun, so balikan natin at kuha tayo ng magandang picture pang IG. Yun! Andito na tayo sa may accommodation natin dito sa may Ohakuni and maganda siya everyone. So bale 3 rooms siya tapos parang isang bathroom. And then meron siyang car park. Naka siyang 3 cars. Hey. Yun, so mag-room tour tayo everyone. Yun yung isang room sa baba. Akyat tayo. Ay! Sa Terina. Later na lang pala. Nagbibis sa Terina.
More than millions siguro.
Yun, at ito yung taas ng accommodation natin. Yan, tas overlooking the kitchen and then dining hall.
Diti mo. Vladimir is nervous. Anxious. Anxiety 101. Talaga hindi sumunod kay Kuya Austin. Patay ka, Vlad.
Wala, lumusot. Hindi pa nailagay.
Kaya yan. Surgeon hand. Magtitigan na lang dahil hindi ko gagalawin. Monkey shoulder na this. Hanggang alas 12 tayo dito. I'll take the video of the monkey shoulder. Monkey shoulder na this. Monkey shoulder na this, Vlad.
Teka, ako di ba? Tapos si Austin.
Oh, ikaw ulit. Ikaw na, balik.
Hindi! Tapos ikaw na next.
Hindi ikaw na.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw yung sinusunod na. Ikaw nauna, di ba kanina? Nanalo. Nauna ka. O, sumunod ako. Ibig sabihin ikaw ulit. Ba't ka kasi nauuna dyan? Parang dahil ni Father eh.
Monkey shoulder na this.
Nag-i-skip.
Nag-skip pa ako. Dapat after mo ako.
Ay,
Dito ako nakaupo.
lasing na yun.
Hindi. Ikaw yung natalo, di ba?
Ako na.
Oo, tas ako yung sumunod.
Oh, so ganun dapat.
Hindi ka na dito maran.
Sinakabahan na si Berna. Pag makalusot
Ay,
ito,
Vlad.
si Vlad.
Okay. Ay! Akala ko nakuha niya.
Dapat si Jazz yung natalo kanina eh. Yan niya to eh. Hindi tuloy makuha.
Chill na lang siya. Text na lang. Post na story.
Kaya mo yan, Vlad. Sa taas,
Stress, bro.
Vlad. Sa taas, Vlad.
Stress, bro.
May mga lows pa dyan.
Wala eh.
Oops. Ingat ka. Huwag mo mas talo ng table. Mag-shake siya.
Claire, don't shake the table. No, I never touch. We repeat.
Don't touch the ta-da-da. Ta-da-da-ta-ta-ta. Don't touch ta-da-da.
Ay, ang galingan, Vlad.
Ginagabala si Marila. Hala. Patay na. Hala. But I'm pretty sure hindi na yan nakabalik. Kabahan. Monkey shoulder.
Dito na everyone, and then palis na tayo ng accommodation. Punta tayo ng Taupo. So ang ganda ng accommodation natin everyone. Nag-enjoy tayo and punta tayo ng Taupo. Balik tayo ng Hoka Falls. Pasyal natin sila Ate Claire doon, and then balik na tayo ng Wellington. And siguro sa Taupo tatapusin ko na tong vlog na to kasi medyo mahaba na. So see you there everyone.
Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No.
Maybe some of you are asking, why do I keep on vlogging even if no one is watching? Kahit kunti lang views ko. Because I love what I'm doing. You can love something even if no one shows up. You can force people to watch your vlog or subscribe to your channel, and that's okay. Even if I fail, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Sabi nga nila, fall 7 times, stand up 8 times. The important thing is, you keep going. Kaya ako, I am quietly showing up, preparing every vlog with so much thought. Even if no one is watching, no one's subscribing. Walang tampo, walang hinanakit. Just pure passion. Because I believe that one day, my time will come too. Alam mo yung Chinese bamboo? Grabe yun, for 5 years wala kang makikitang tumubo. As in, parang walang nangyayari. Pero ang totoo, deep under the ground, nag-ugat siya. Pinapalakas ang foundation niya. Then boom! On the 6th year, bigla siyang tutubo ng up to 90 feet in just weeks. Ganyan din tayo minsan, akala mo stuck ka. Pero di mo alam, you're building something deeper. Hindi ka late, you're just rooting for something big. Maikli lang buhay, piliin mo lagi ang maging masaya. And let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. So that's it mga wan. So andito na tayo sa may Taupo. Konting stroll, tapos pinuntahan natin yung McDonald's na airplane and then kumain. So ngayon andito tayo sa may I love Taupo na sign and waiting sila para magpa-picture. So recap lang natin yung adventure natin today. Nagpunta tayo ng Mount Ruapehu and then nagawa natin yung hindi natin nagawa dati na snow activity. So gondola ulit and then yun sa may Pataka Cafe sa taas. Pumunta tayo ng accommodation natin and then kinabukasan nagpunta tayo ng Taupo. So andito tayo sa Taupo ngayon. So that's it. Tapusin na natin tong vlog natin. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, I'm your Nomadic One, ang Hugo Travel Bay na may puso. That's our episode 23 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. So next time ulit, see you on my next vlog.